Okay guys, this is Mike. Let's have a quick update about Bitcoin together. In the previous video, I did mention that one. I did tell you I still have got a higher low on daily time frame, and that makes me still bullish. And I think the market structure has not changed yet for Bitcoin and crypto market, to be honest. And we are still going to the upside. I'm going to show you a few things I have got in here. I did mention for a few times we are still above this. We had a falling channel. It got broken, and we did backtest this one for a few times, and we are still above this trend line, which was the resistance of this falling channel. Now is still working as a support for Bitcoin. I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually continue to the upside. As we can see, it looks like we have got the one trend line which is parallel to this one, and this one is working as a resistance at the moment. When the price of Bitcoin reach to about this area, it might work as a resistance again, which is about 103,500 for Bitcoin. But I'm going to show you one thing which is really important for me at the moment. It's the pivot. It's the February pivot for Bitcoin. What do we see in here? After the big rejection with the manipulation actually we had on the market, Bitcoin got rejected to about this area, which is about the $91,250. This is the support. This is the February support for pivot we have got for Bitcoin. As you can see, this is the first support, and this is the second support we have got in here for February. I did tell you I'm not expecting Bitcoin actually to reach to about this area. Because of that, the market structure is going to be changed. Bitcoin is going to move downside after that, because we still have got higher low and higher low. I'm expecting Bitcoin to hold this area, and it did hold. And what do we have? As you can see on the chart, we have got the pivot for February. It's about $100,300 for Bitcoin. Once we break, I think we are going to break this one to the upside, and in my opinion, once Bitcoin could manage to break this one and stay above that, the first resistance we have is about $111,700, which is about 112K for Bitcoin. This is the first resistance we have. This is the second resistance for February, and this is the third resistance we have for February for Bitcoin. In my opinion, when Bitcoin actually breaks the pivots, we are going to continue this area and this area and this area. And on the chart, I have got few resistance. This one, this trend line we have got in here, work as a support and work as a resistance, and it might work as a temporary resistance, in my opinion. Again, if we continue this one to the upside, it might work as a resistance again. The second resistance or second target is 122,000. The third target we have got is 132,000 with pivot actually, but we have got the resistance. We have got resistance. As you can see, this trend line used to work as a resistance, and when we continue, actually it might work as a resistance, which is about 132K or about 131.5K for Bitcoin. In my opinion, the last target in February should be around 132,000 for Bitcoin, according to this pivot we have got and according to this trend line in here. That was all from me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you guys in the next video.